recently bought myself a mustard coloured leather jacket. Sounds a bit weird, seems to be alright. And I wanted to make something that was a bit different, and Fepsa had this felt, which is a yellowy mustardy colour. So what we've got here is a nice fedora with a very nice profile on the top there, and a teardrop shape. So the material is 5% rabbit and 5% beaver and 95% rabbit. The actual crown size here is 11 centimeters, and the brim itself is quite a wide 7 centimeters. So quite a nice shape. It's about 140 gram weight. So this one you can flip down or up. It snaps into place quite nicely. And you need to be a bit outgoing to wear something like this, but it's a very nice hat with one of our linings inside. I think this one will obviously fit me, given that I've made it for myself and for show. There we go. So a classic fedora, all ready to go on the website. When you buy a hat from us, we send it out in a proper hat box. This is one of the custom-made hat boxes that I buy off the shelf, and it's a hat where inside we've actually got a very nice circular, well, actually it's oval shape, so I can take the hat, place it upside down in the hat box, usually put some bubble wrap or something over the top just to protect it, and then inside with that I like to put some instructions on how to best look after your hat. So things like when you put the hat on and off, you use your hands such as that, rather than using your fingers to dirty or dampen the crown. A lot of hats that I get in that have been used over the years have actually developed a mark on here where people go on the crown and put their fingers and then pop it on their head like that, which is a no-no. Pick it up by the brim and pop it on. Anyway, so a bit of instructions, especially when the hat gets wet. Make sure that you put it down and put it upside down like that and let it just dry out, not on a radiator, just on a table in a room somewhere. And then once it's actually dried out, use a hat brush to brush it around anti-clockwise to get the dust out and the pile back up, and it'll come back very, very well. Lightly use some steam if you need to, but that's the sort of information that's in the note there. And then a note from myself, not only thanking you for your purchase, which I'm very grateful for, but also pushing you towards my YouTube channel and my website, so that you know that there's ways in which you can keep up to date with any new hats that we've got and any new developments on newsletters and that sort of thing. By the way, if you sign up to a newsletter, we do offer 10% off of any purchases that are made on the website, so it is worth doing just that. And then I pop in one of my business cards. Always good to hear from people that are interested in hats, not only those that have bought hats from me, but also those that are just generally interested in it.